Ooh. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. How's everybody doing? So glad it's Friday. I am here just making some chicken soup. You got corn and potatoes, carrots, cabbage, onion, zucchini, all that in there. And I can't believe I made this big old pot. Look how big this pot is. Ain't no way I'm going to eat that at one time. Ain't no way. I'm the only one eating this. But yeah, at least I can, just freeze it and save it for another day. Yes, yes indeed. Hi, Sister Sonia. How you doing? I hope you're feeling good. Yeah, I'm making some chicken soup because, I don't know, for some reason this week I'm having low energy. I've been sneezing and sniffing and coughing and stuff like that. I don't know. It must be doing some, change of the weather or something like that. But hey, God is good. God is sure is good. But this is going to be a self-care day. I'm finna take my hair down, take me a bath, and hopefully later on, give me a little exercise. I'm gonna go walking. Yeah, I'm going walking. Since my car broke down, I'm walking. Hey, God is good. God knows what I need, huh? Yes, indeed. All right. Love you, Sonia.